Welcome to Mastering Magic, a beginner's guide to magical practices. In this video, you will embark on the Enchanted Path, unraveling the mysteries of magic. Magic is not just about pulling rabbits out of hats or casting spells to turn people into toads. It is a profound spiritual practice that taps into the hidden energies of the universe. At its core, magic is the art of using our inner power to create change in the world around us. It is about aligning ourselves with the natural rhythms of the universe and harnessing the energy within and around us. To begin your magical journey, it is crucial to understand the principles that govern the practice. One such principle is the law of correspondence, which states that as above, so below. This means that the universe is interconnected, and what happens on a larger scale is reflected within ourselves and vice versa. Another important principle is the law of attraction. This law suggests that we attract into our lives the energy and experiences that align with our thoughts and intentions. By directing our thoughts towards positive outcomes, we can manifest our desires and transform our reality. Now that we understand the principles, let's explore some practical exercises to awaken our magical potential. Visualization is a powerful tool in magic, where we create vivid mental images of our desires. By visualizing our goals with intention and belief, we can manifest them into reality. Meditation is also a key practice in magic. Through stillness and introspection, we can access our inner realms, tap into our intuition, and connect with the divine energies that exist beyond our physical reality. Remember, magic is a personal journey, and your beliefs and practices may differ from others. Respect and honor your individual path, while being open to learning from different traditions and perspectives. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting adventure through the world of magic. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more mystical insights and practical guidance. Until next time, may your path be filled with light and wonder.